Just a quick short video to share with you according to the Book of Wealth by Hubert Bancroft, where he talks about there being the spiritual wealth as well as your material wealth. And for you to build wealth and be successful, you have to create a balance between these two. You know, your values most it will be the balance that you create between your spiritual wealth and your material wealth. So you have to get an equilibrium of these two. So in that, there's actually three steps that you can actually begin to understand the three measures that create wealth or gets you on the path to understanding and create wealth. The first is caring for humanity, to find out what humanity needs, what problems or issues are out there that you can help to start solving, providing solutions for those, or trying to make things work more efficiently. So if you look at, the greatest minds out there who have created wealth, the likes of Bill Gates and other people, they have taken upon themselves to solve the biggest world problems out there. I mean, if you look at Microsoft, there's millions of people using Microsoft and Windows out there. So there was a need which, through caring for humanity, Bill Gates managed to create this something that serves the masses. So you have to actually care for humanity and look out for the big problems that are out there that you can help to solve, provide solutions, as well as see where you can actually make things work a lot more efficiently. Yeah. So, and the second is caring for yourself. So when you care for yourself, it means you are in a good place about yourself. So you actually accept yourself for who you are. So you begin to, anything that has happened to you from your past or whatever, you begin to let go and understand that it's all part of the journey. Yeah, it's all part of the journey. So you begin to try and balance yourself so that you are in that good space of actually caring for yourself, looking after yourself, so you understand the potential and who you are as a person. So that is a key way of understanding yourself, because by doing that, you are actually valuing yourself. You are understanding the value that you present, that you can contribute to humanity as a whole. But it is key that you actually care for yourself. Now, the third is actually making sure you understand the value of money, because money in itself is actually neutral. So when you see people doing bad things there, committing crime or whatever in the name of money, it is actually not the money itself that is the problem, because money is just a means of exchange. It's just a means of fair exchange to actually identify and reward people for the value that they are creating. So it is just a means, so it is neutral in itself. So once you begin to understand the value of money, what it is and what is not, and that it is just neutral, then you can begin to understand that it is actually generated through the value that you are creating, through your networks and everything else that is happening, through caring for yourself and caring for humanity, that you can begin to create wealth and understand what it is that you can do in the process of building something worthwhile for yourself. So I hope you understand those three key areas, that caring for humanity and find out solutions, caring for yourself and letting go of the past or blocks or things that have stopped you achieving and being where you need to be at this particular time, and understanding, the value of money, what it is, and that it's actually neutral, that it's just there as a means of fair exchange. Then you can begin to actually grasp and get into the big ideas of how you can actually start to understand building wealth. So these are three key measures that you need to understand in the scheme of understanding and building wealth. And this is what the biggest and most successful millionaires and billionaires out there understand about money, because they take this further into educating themselves, understand the processes that work, and so that they can actually build wealth and build vast masses of wealth because of these fundamental three things that they understand. So I hope you go out there, experience, learn, and grow, and begin to digest and understand these three measures on your path to success. So until next time, cheerio.